Traditional Chinese crepe recipe. Maybe the most notable Chinese morning dinners, Chinese crepes, can be made at home easily. It is maybe the most notable morning dinner sold at side of the road in China. It includes wheat and grain-based crepe, an egg, broiled wafers, cleaved scallions, and even coriander. The crepes are collapsed into an envelope. Verifiably, this dish is known to be begun in Shandong and thrived in Tianjin. Chinese crepes are commonly eaten as finger food while people travel to work or school on occupied mornings. This dish has won its cross-country pervasiveness for its newness and its unpredictable, complex flavor and surface. It's anything but a through and through should endeavor when visiting China. Lately, this dish is furthermore getting worldwide affirmation. It's easy to put forth and saves less attempt to cook. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 25 minutes. Serving, 4 ingredients. Cooking oil for frying. All-purpose flour, half cup water. 1 cup wholemeal flour, half cup toasted sesame seeds. 4 teaspoon whole eggs. 4 chopped scallion. 4 teaspoons soybean paste. 4 teaspoon chili garlic sauce. 4 teaspoon diced tomatoes. Half cup chopped lettuce. For garnishing chopped coriander. For garnishing wonton wrappers, 16 pieces. Instructions. 1. Take a large skillet. 2. Add the oil for frying into the skillet. 3. Cut the wonton wrappers into thin strips and add them into the oil. 4. Fry the wonton wrappers until they turn golden brown. 5. Dish out the wonton wrapper strips into a plate. 6. Take a large bowl. 7. Add the water, wholemeal flour, and all-purpose flour into the bowl. 8. Mix well to form a smooth mixture. 9. Take a large pan. 10. Add a few drops oil into the pan. 11. Add a ladle of the formed batter into the pan. 12. Spread the batter and break the egg on top. 13. Break the egg yolk and spread the egg. 14. Sprinkle the sesame seeds, scallions, fried wonton strips, diced tomatoes, and soybean paste and chili garlic sauce on top. 15. Fold the crepe and cook it well. 16. When it turns golden brown, then dish out the crepes. 17. Add the chopped lettuce leaves and coriander on top. 18. Your dish is ready to be served.